Hey friends, if you wish to install the Visual Studio Code on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So open the browser and search for install VS Code. Go to the download Visual Studio Code website. Now you can check for the 64-bit one and then simply click on the downloader here. It will download an exe file. Click on open. Now it may need up to 1 or 2 minutes to start the installer here, so we will wait till that happens and it was downloading the exe file. Meanwhile, if you are running this video, then you can skip the video till the next section where the installer is downloaded and the installation process has started. Once it has been downloaded and the installer is open, accept the agreement, click on next, 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 and install it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.